Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to hide section in Webflow. When creating a website, there are times when you may want to temporarily hide certain sections of your page without deleting them. This could be for a variety of reasons, such as testing different layouts, managing content that is not yet ready to be published, or simply keeping your design clean and organized. Today, we're diving deep into the process of hiding a section in Webflow, ensuring that your website remains neat and well-structured. Let's begin by accessing the Navigator panel in Webflow, which is an essential tool for managing your content. This panel is like a bird's-eye view of your entire web page, providing a detailed list of all elements and their hierarchical relationships. Understanding this layout is crucial because it acts as a blueprint, showing you how every component is interconnected. To access this Navigator panel, you can either click on the Navigator icon situated on the left-hand sidebar of the Webflow editor, or simply use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Z key. This shortcut is especially useful as it allows you to open the Navigator quickly, helping you maintain your workflow without any disruption. Once you've opened the Navigator panel, you will see a comprehensive list that outlines the hierarchy of all elements on your current page. This visual map is invaluable, as it makes it easier to locate the section you wish to hide. It's like having a detailed guide that shows you exactly where each section fits into the larger structure of your site. The next step involves selecting the specific section you want to hide. You can do this in two ways, either directly on the web page, if you can easily identify the section visually, or from the list within the Navigator panel. Selecting from the Navigator list is often more precise, especially when your page has multiple sections with similar designs. This approach ensures that you're working with the exact section you intend to modify. After selecting the section, turn your focus to the Style panel, located on the right side of the Webflow interface. The Style panel is your main hub for customizing the appearance and layout of your elements. It's where you can make a wide range of CSS adjustments to tailor your site to your specific design needs. Within this panel, navigate to the Layout section, which is where we're going to make the necessary adjustments to hide your selected section. In the Layout section of the Style panel, you'll find an option to adjust the display setting of your section. Typically, this setting is set to block or another value that suits your design needs. To hide the section, you'll need to change this setting to None. By doing so, you effectively instruct the browser not to display this section at all. However, it's important to note that while the section becomes invisible to visitors, it still exists in the Document Object Model, DOM. This means you can easily reactivate and display it again whenever you need, without the hassle of recreating it from scratch. And there you have it. By adjusting the display setting to None, your selected section is now hidden from view. This method is an incredibly useful way to manage the visibility of elements on your page. It allows you to keep your web layout flexible and ready for future changes, all while preserving your hard work. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to hide section in Webflow. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.